Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how you can create your own teleport feature in Roblox Studio. And I'm calling it feature and not system because system is very fancy word, everybody uses it, and I think that system should have a lot of functionality, a lot of other stuff, but we will just create a simple feature which will teleport a player from point A to point B and nothing else. So let's start. And first of all, I want to explain what we will make in this video. So we will have like two different points, and we will be able to teleport a player from point A to point B, and in reverse as well. So I already created two parts, and for example, I want to be able to teleport from this point right here to this high point over here. Alright, so I customized them a little bit, and if we start the test, we can see that these parts, they aren't anchored, and we have to anchor them before we start. So we're gonna select them all, as well as this part right here, and click anchor. So right now, if we start the test, these parts aren't falling anymore, and we can work with them. So first of all, we have to create those buttons that I was talking about later. Well, I mean, wait, what? So first of all, we will create some kind of buttons. We will use these buttons to interact with the parts. So we're gonna select this part over here, and in Explorer window we'll add proximity prompt. We will do the same for the second part as well, so we selecting the second part and inserting a proximity prompt inside of it. So right now I will rename these parts. So this part will be part A, and the part on top will be part B. Okay, we can now run the test by pressing F5, and we can see that this button have this kind of button. We can click this, but nothing happens because we don't have any scripts yet. So we can create script anywhere, but I would like to create a server script inside of server script service. Not local script, not module script, but just a regular script. In this script we will have to get access to these two buttons. So I will create two variables. The first one will be button A, and the second one will be button B. Now we should assign addresses to both of these buttons. So button A will be workspace part A, proximity prompt. The button B will have workspace part B, proximity prompt as well. So now we should detect when we click those buttons. So it's very easy. We just write button A dot triggered connect function, and we have access to player who triggered this button. So we need this player in order to get his character and teleport his character to this point. So now we should detect when the button B is triggered as well. Okay, now we should write the functionality itself. So right now we should get the character. We should just create a variable for character, and we will name it character. So character equals to player who triggered dot character. It is possible that the player will have no character, but it's very low chance, and I guess if player clicks the button, I guess the player already has the character. But anyways, just to make the code safe, we will also write or player who triggered character added wait. Okay, it will be much more safer, so just in case. So now we should teleport the character, but we don't know where to teleport it. We will use these parts for positions as well, because why not? I will also create two more variables for these parts. So basically part A workspace part A, part B workspace part B, and I will also replace I'll also edit those addresses as well. So we have variables for part A and part B, so I will paste them right here as well, like so. So when we trigger the button A, we will teleport the... Okay, I want to create one more variable which will be called part B position. So it will be equal to part B position. So yeah, no hard things, it's very easy. Now we should teleport the character, and I could create a function for this, but I don't really want to make it complicated. So we'll just make it shorter, easier. So we will write character pivot to, and here we should all actually paste CFrame. Yeah, there is a lot of complicated terms, but I made a mistake, so we have to change the position to CFrame. So part B CFrame, and here we're changing the position to CFrame as well. So now we can just paste part B CFrame right here, and that's it. So I already can teleport from point B to from point A to point B. Right now, let's just copy the code from here to here. Okay, I made some typing mistake right here, I guess. When we trigger the button B, we should teleport to point A. Okay, so we should get part A CFrame, and here I just change part B to part A. And I guess we're done. Let's check it out. So when I click, where am I? I don't know why, but I can't see myself. Anyways, so when we click the button, as you can see, I get teleported to point B. And when I click this button, I'm teleporting to the ground. I don't know what is happening to my character, but anyways. So it is working, and as I said before, we just made a teleport feature. It is not a system. We don't have any effects here and anything else. So if you want to have effects for the teleport feature, then I can actually create another video on this one. Just let me know in the comments below. So it's not a problem for me to explain how to add some kind of particles, sound effects, maybe anything else, maybe even UI transitions. It's not a problem as well. So if you want to see those, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. I hope it helps. Peace. Peace. Alright, bye, peace, everything the best. Yeah.